and basketball pala. Let's go. The couple is... I want her. I want her boyfriend. Okay, kids, get you now. I'm gonna teach another class. I'm the teacher here. Ha. I'm the teacher here.
Galing. Tapos sabi niya, drawing ko daw yung character niya. Eh, tingnan mo yung art style niya sa art style ko. Yung art style niya. Parang cartoon yung art style ko.
Hey, I'm recording. Totoo, nag-record ako.
Okay.
Popost. Just record on your TikTok. I'm just gonna grab my notification. Okay. So, can I switch like because
Pag talaga yung paa mo nakalusot dyan sa electric fan, so
I don't like
tigil yung paa mo.
sitting with her. Yeah. I'll just take one
Parang
second.
baliktad pa rin yung damit mo. Yung sa harapan naman yun ang nasa likod. Ba't parang ano na?
Hayaan mo na.
Ice cream. Kasi yun na ano yung mga pagaya ng cross na hindi pa magda. Okay. So, nandito natin.
Tuna ko na. Ano to? No, Tuna. Classroom noises. This is the last day, bestie. Yeah. I miss you very much. I'm gonna go to class right now. She secretly likes Ryan. My dad's gonna pick me up, Ryan. My dad's gonna pick me up, Ryan. Oh, cool. My dad's too. I wanna take off my glasses. Wait, Ryan actually looks like there's Ryan.
Hindi pwede mababasag ng gamit. Tapos hindi mo naman
I'll give these glasses to you. Oh, thanks, sister. I'll put it in your locker. It's a whole notebook so you can read how to be great at math. Okay. Even a mirror, I gave it so you would remember me. Because you're gonna transfer, right? Yeah, girl. I'm gonna give them gifts. And some days I initially really need to give them my chips and soda. Nom 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 nom. I can't just stop. Oh. Guys, I get the chips. Oh, thanks. I'm gonna put this here. Where's mine, bestie? Oh, wait, I'm just gonna get it. Just transferring this way I gave her the same. I'm gonna transfer in the, the school that was orange. I'm gonna transfer to the same. Yeah?
Punta ka doon sila Tita Isel.
Bakit? Bakit po?
Ibigay mo to.
Guys,
Hulog ko ha.
opo. Guys, please, see you in the next video. Bye.